Hi everyone, it's about time to do another pendulum session. So I'm going to ask some questions about Harry and Meghan's new PR person, and it's Liam Maguire. Now, what I understand is he has been a longtime friend of Harry's. That's all I can remember. So, let's just look into this. Okay, so I'm going to use Daniel. He has celestite. He's made of celestite, and that will get us in touch with the angel realm and the heavenly realm. Okay, so vertical is yes, and horizontal is no. Let's turn it around this way because that way the alphabet is on top. Okay, so I'm just going to clear a little bit. There you go. And we are going to start. Hello, Daniel. This is Daniel. And okay, he is acknowledging yes. Like hello. So, if you can see, that is vertical, and that's yes, and horizontal is no. I'm trying to, maybe I can go back just a tiny bit there. Trying my best to hold my hand as still as I can. Okay, and I'm just looking to see if you guys can see. Okay, well some of those will be maybe, hang on. Let's see if I can put it over here. Sorry about this. Okay, I think it's, well, nah, it's still going to be hidden. That's okay. I'll just put it closer to me. So, we're going to ask, they said that Meredith Mains quit. Now, did she actually? It's already going to know. Look, already going to know and shaking. So, did she not quit? Was she fired? And I mean, because look at that. That is going to yes. Guys, I'm just asking this because I have a lot of time to think on the road and everything. And I was like, I wonder if this, I wonder if that. Well, I've been wondering about Meredith Mains. So if that Liam Maguire is Harry's friend, is that why he was hired to take Meredith Mains' place? And that's yes. So he seems like an aggressive PR guy. He seems kind of aggressive, and that is going to yes. Okay. Because in the papers lately, it's, if this doesn't happen, then they will know that it's the king has done it. Or if that doesn't happen, well, it's the palace that has done it, and they will know. So this is that down to Liam Maguire? Is that down to Liam Maguire doing that? And okay, that's going to know. Okay, who is that then? Is it Harry? Is it Meghan? Meghan Markle? Whoa, that is going to yes. Look at that. So what exactly is Liam Maguire doing? Is he against the royal family? Because he was in with Tobyn André and that. Is he against the royal family? And that's going to know. Wow, that's kind of shocking. Okay. Um because he was in that meeting with Tobyn André and Meredith Mains. Yes. Were they actually telling Meredith Mains that Liam was going to take her place? Was that the reason why they had that meeting? Okay, that's no. Hey, you know what? Why did they have that meeting? Everybody is, nobody is totally sure. So please spell it out. Why did they have that meeting with Meredith Mains in the summertime at that club? And it was supposed to be secret, but it was leaked. Why did they have that? Please spell it out. Why did they have the meeting? Is that a D? And, okay. I don't know where this is going, guys. So, where is this going? So that was D. Okay. Is that an I? Yes or no, please. Why did they have that meeting? Okay, that is a yes. So D-I. Okay, next, please. Give you a little kickstart there. Why did they have the meeting when Meredith Mains met Tobyn André? Apparently, it was for, or the story goes that it was for Charles and Harry to get. Okay, is that an A? Oh wow. Okay, next letter, please. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's spelled D-I-A. It's going to N. Look at that. And A again. That spelled Diana. That spelled Diana. Why would... Okay, just continue, please. Why did they meet? D. Is that going to O? Yes. Next letter, please. C. Are you saying they all met up because of the Diana documentary? Oh my goodness, guys. This... Okay, you saw it first and you heard it first. This... Look how it's swinging. Yes. Diana documentary. Diana documentary. Wow. Everybody is saying, even all of the, oh my goodness, that is so... I just am flabbergasted and gobsmacked. Wow. That is crazy. Okay, so they met for the Diana documentary. That's what it says right there. Okay, I am going to ask, what... Gosh, that's crazy. Did that meeting with Meredith Mains and Tobyn André and Liam Maguire last summer, I guess it was summer, wasn't it? Was that a meeting for Harry for the Diana documentary? Was it for the Diana documentary, please? Was it for a Diana documentary? That's crazy. There's a conflict between family. This is the Four of Wands in reverse. A conflict between family, friends, or community. Unstable finances. Workplace conflicts. Arguments. I think it probably was about the family. And also, it could be a conflict because of the Diana documentary. Now, was Tobyn André telling them to cut it out? Or, what? Yeah, you know what? I'm doing this backwards, actually, because a lot of times I'll do a reading and then I do the pendulum. But I just want to see, I wonder if they were saying, cut it out. Cut it out. You know, that does make sense, though. If they said, we want to talk to you about this. Were they not happy, Tobyn André and Liam Maguire at the time, about the Diana documentary? Were they not happy about the Diana documentary? And that is the King of Pentacles in reverse. You know what? That would, I know Harry is Pentacles, usually the Knight of Pentacles, but I think he was feeling quite, now that doesn't really mean that, but like smug. And in reverse, it's greedy. It says unsuccessful businessman. Greedy, corruption, extortion, poor judgment, materialistic. I think they're just trying to do this for the money, aren't they? So is that... Okay, I'm just going to ask again. And that was... Wow, they keep on... Look at this. I wonder if that was supposed to be... That's the Six of Pentacles upright. Was it supposed to be for charity and all this? Wow. Were they trying to get permission, or was Tobyn André telling them to cut it out? Trying to stop Harry. That's in reverse as well. Was Tobyn André telling Meredith Mains, sending Harry a message to cut it out? What? Oh my goodness. I would say yes. Look at that. That is the Ace of Swords in reverse. I would say yes. That was cut it out. Miscommunication, injustice, frustration, creative block, failure, insult. Wow. I really do think that goodness. Okay, so what? I'm just... Okay, that's crazy. So was this actually a meeting to have a reunion or whatever with the king? Was it? That is... well... That is the Five of Pentacles in reverse, and that would be like coming back into, like it says forgiveness, being accepted. But that's what they said in the papers and everything, in all the media. It's to have a reconciliation with the king. Did the king send Tobyn André to that? To that meeting? Defeat, deception, aggression, bullying, walking away. It's upright. I would say yes, he did. But it's usually a no. Maybe that defeat is Harry and Meghan aren't listening, and they're going to make that anyway. That's what I wonder. I wonder if that... Yeah, was that the king's idea to tell them, cut it out? That is deception as well. Confessing, coming clean, blackmail. Wow. Oh, this is sorry, that's the 7 of Swords in reverse. That's blackmail. Caught in the act. Okay. Wow, that is crazy though. Okay, so that's actually what it was they were telling them, cut it out, with that Ace of Swords in reverse. That's crazy, isn't it? Okay. Well, I have another question. So, Liam Maguire, did the king send him to work with Harry to take over their operations and keep an eye on Harry and try to straighten it all out? This is what I'm just asking. Is that what happened? Is that actually what happened? Now, this is, because that's what it is. Liam Maguire trying to straighten Harry's mess out. It doesn't mean that he's like a bad guy, but did you see that PR that is happening was not Liam Maguire? It was Meghan. Did you see that? And this reading is for entertainment only and allegedly. Thank you guys so much. I just wanted to ask a couple of questions, and I don't want this to be too long. So I just want to thank you for showing up. And please hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you on the next one.